till we up, baby, till we up. Yeah, baby, thinking back on all the days I would come and get you high, and we would sit around just to talk about life. Plans of getting off, us taking over the world. Always there beside me, dreams of making you my wife, or you're right for me.
What's up, Wicked Gang? It's your girl Tori.
It's your boy Dekota, and we back at it with that vibe.
Before we get started, I need y'all to go ahead and stop what you're doing. If you haven't already, go subscribe to our channel. You know it's gonna be over here, babe. I think it's gonna be down here. Somewhere on the screen. And drop a comment, y'all. Show us some love. We want y'all to start interacting. So, you know, before we get started, let's do that. Alright?
Yeah, man.
We are currently on our way home, which is Monroeville, because I have a family reunion this weekend. So yeah, that's what we ready for these festivities this weekend, baby?
No.
Dekota don't really like family reunions, not just mine, just anyone in general. So that's why he said that. We got like a 2-hour drive home. We got like a 2-hour drive home, and I guess we'll see y'all when we get to Monroeville. It's gonna probably be a little
I'll make it an hour and a half.
by the time we make it up. He's talking drunk in the background. What?
I'll make it an hour and a half.
Whatever. We will see y'all in the next clip. Thank y'all for tuning in, and let's get this vlog started. We are now currently at Carlos, about to get something to eat. If y'all know me, y'all know this is my favorite place to eat when I come home. Hey Dekota.
What up, babe?
What you doing? We got some chips and salsa and Thai food. Get out. Here's my food. Dekota ain't eating. He already ate, by the way. So don't think he just not eating. You took the time to take the camera out the bag. All that for that. Oh, this, you just got this?
I had this in there. What up, gang? We out chilling the thing. Tori just got finna eat. I know y'all see that fade slap across my head though.
Boy.
Beard gone. Life's pretty good right now.
So long story short, our family reunion got canceled because it is raining. Yeah. Look, it's been raining all day.
All day.
But we're gonna still try to create situations so where we can still vlog. So now we just gotta, you know.
Hopefully the rain slack up a little bit.
Yeah, because we finna let our little guest here.
Yeah, we have a new guest on the show.
But not new.
Yeah.
I mean, y'all done seen her before, but she pop in and out.
What's up, like again?
You gonna tell them what happened last night? Yesterday? What you got?
A new golf cart.
You gonna give them a tour?
You gonna give them a tour of the golf cart?
We'll be back in the next clip. This is my brand new golf cart. I have a back seat and I have a front seat. And then this is the cool part.
That's your horn.
You gotta push your foot with it.
And what is there back here?
I have a seatbelt.
Beat the seatbelt.
And then I have a little thing with chairs to go under. And this my old.
This the old one right here? Oh, you got a real upgrade. That's the old one to the new, baby.
I got them ice around.
Okay, then.
That was Alaiah little, you know, what do you call it? What is it? Oh, car tour. I guess you can say a car tour. Pimp her ride. She done upgraded on all of us, you feel me? Hopefully it stopped raining a little bit so we can at least see her drive it and ride with her, because that's what she wanted us to do today. I want y'all to see what I had to witness between Alaiah and Dekota last night. They got this thing where they like to compete when they be working out. I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like when they do push-ups against each other, and y'all comment down below who y'all think wins. Go. Go. Go.
Oh, win. Oh, win. Oh, win.
Who won, son?
Huh?
Who won?
I think it was you. What you said y'all could do?
An obstacle course. It is my obstacle course.
An obstacle course?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, so she want to put this bandana on for her obstacle
How
course.
did that?
And
How do you
he's
want me to put it on my head?
You wanted him to put it on your head.
Everybody got a time on their phone.
Yeah.
Let me see this side.
Okay.
Yo. Yo.
You still won.
You still want to bet 2 out of 3?
She won rock, paper, scissors as y'all saw. So she chose that I go first. I'm gonna win.
Nah, y'all, she gonna win.
Who gonna win?
Period.
Ah! What?
Period. Poop.
Dakota gonna explain to us what we gotta do.
Stop.
11 seconds. Y'all see
11
that?
seconds, guys. Now let's see what they can do. Ooh, 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 ooh. 6 seconds, lay 1. Yo, you the champ, girl.
You lost.
Yeah.
They wanted me to show y'all that her and Dakota was twins today. So this. Okay.
Me and Alaiah on the golf cart.
We about to hit a puddle. Cause this thing is waterproof.
They're waterproof.
Watch this. The puddle right here.
Turn it up. We out here.
Gang, 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 gang. Hey.
Throw it up, Lee.
Damn. Look at this. All right, let me get out this fire drop.
What's up, guys? So we on our way to church right now.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I look so good.
And it's officially day 3 of this weekend vlog, so I hope y'all been enjoying it so far. I don't know what we're doing at the church. We probably grab something to eat because I'm starving. We'll see y'all in the next clip. We just got out of church and we're about to eat, so we're gonna show y'all food. Here's my plate. That's Dekota. What is this? No, who was it that said I hung up on me?
It's fine, because I want my tippy toes. It's on this here. He just got out of church. Period.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the end of the vlog. After y'all seen us in the last clip, we went to the restaurant and then we left there. We went and spent some time with our family for a little bit. And now we are about to officially, well, not about to, we're officially back on the road, headed to our hometown. You feel me?
Hometown. We ain't back
Oh my God.
hometown.
We are officially back on the road, leaving our hometown, headed back to the L, you know what I'm saying, where we currently live right now. And yeah, that's about it. So it's been a very fun weekend. It's always nice to come home, spend time with our family, you know what I'm saying?
We hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the gang. Join the gang. And we'll catch y'all in the next video.
What's up with your little mama? I can really be your type. Where you wanna go, I take you anywhere you like. I just want your presence, even if it's for a night. Sexy, independent, I can't argue that you're winning. I just want you to hold